Miss Janet again, and today I'm going to show you how to play with water. So here's the thing. At school, we have really cool messy table. In our table, sometimes we have things that we can play with our hands that are like clay or Play-Doh, and other times we have sandy things that feel gritty in your fingers. Um, and today we're going to be using water. So I don't have a messy table, and I don't know if you do. If you do, that's great. And if you don't, then I just kind of did my own thing. So I went into my kitchen and I found a huge bowl and I filled it full of water. And I'm trying to think of some things that I can do with my water that will make it fun. I wanted to be able to do some measuring and just playing, and so I brought some utensils with me or things out of my kitchen. So this is what's called a whisk, and that moves the water around. I can also use my turkey baster and suck up some water. And I've got some measuring spoon or measuring cups out of my drawer. I got some stuff to play with, but I also wanted to, let me take this out of here, wanted to put some soap in my water to make it bubbly. And I know you guys like that, playing in the soap, making big bubbles. So maybe that you could do that at home. I'm trying to think of the things that you could use. Anything that has a wire around it where you can lift, maybe that would work. And I'm also going to put some food coloring in to just change the color of my water. Um, I have 4 different colors here: red, blue, green, and yellow. The thing about food coloring is it's really pretty and it makes your water or whatever you're using turn a color. But it also, if it gets on your skin or on your clothes, it stains and you can't get it out. Now, you could get it off your hands eventually, but it stays there for a long time. Like soap and water doesn't get it out very easily. So you have to be super careful. You might want to ask your mom and dad to help you do this part, just so you don't get it all over you, or at least watch you how you could be super careful and show your mom and dad how you could make 2 little drops in the water without it touching your hand. So talk to your mom and dad about that. I'm going to use the color red. So I'm going to pull it out of here and I'm going to open it super careful because I don't want any of it to get on my fingers because I don't want to have to wash my hands a lot. Okay, get ready. I'm going to do 2 drops. 1, 2. Ooh, it looks so pretty in there. I don't know if I can show you. I can't. I will in a minute. And then I'm going to take my little whisk, is what we call it, and move it around and turn the color pink. I can make it darker if I want, but then I want bubbles. So I'm going to grab some of my soap in my kitchen, make 1 little drop of that, close my lid, and I'm going to make bubbles. So you have to really stir it a lot so your hand might get a little bit tired. But you might have something that you could make a crank like we have at school. And we have a lot of fun things at school. I don't have all of that here, so I have to use just my hand to do that. So I can leave that in there because I can take it out later, and I can also take it and put it up in my little thing, squirt it out. One of the things I wanted to do is see how many um, scoops I can put into my cup measuring cup. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 before it's going to overflow. Anyway, I want you guys to think of things that you could put in water that won't hurt. Like, you don't want to put something in here that can get hurt by putting it in water. So things that are plastic, something to play with, but just get your hands in there, make some suds so you can make your hands all soapy, or put more food coloring in there. If you choose a color, you might want to stick with it. Anyway, have fun. That's kind of how the whole thing is like you just gonna play in the water and make some really cool things with it. And I will see you guys soon. I miss you guys. Bye.